Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to delete photos on iPhone when your storage is full. So we're going to go over to Photos, and in our Photos app we have different albums such as Recent, Favorite, and any other apps that have access to our photos will have a folder saved there if we've ever saved a picture. So what you need to do is to go to any of these albums such as Recent for example, and then at the top you have the select option there. So when you tap on select, this means that you just need to tap on the pictures or the videos that you want to delete, and this will highlight them for you. Now at the bottom, you're going to see the delete icon there. Now when you tap on the delete icon, which looks like a dustbin, it's going to take them out of your album into your trash. So when that's done, you still need to go to your trash and delete. So we're going to go over to our trash. So when you come over to recently deleted and you tap on it, it's going to show you pictures and media that you've deleted already, but they're still in your recycle bin. What you need to do in order to completely delete it from your device, thus freeing up some more space, is to tap on recently deleted, selecting the pictures again and emptying the trash. This will ensure that your iPhone storage will be restored to some capacity, thus allowing you to use your phone. So this is how to delete photos on iPhone when your storage is full.